Alright everyone, here we are. The lights are up, so we're good now. I've got my two fill lights right here, and I've got my key light down in front of me right here. Casting a bit of shadow, so gonna have to play with that, maybe position the fill lights a little further around to light the backdrop. Put this a little closer or off at a different angle to play with the shadow and see if I can remove some of it. But yeah, we're good. I've figured out the focus on my camera finally, yay! Because the last video I took on this was essentially completely blurry, which is very, very silly to say the least. But now that we have all this set up, now I can start playing with the little experiments I want to do, start coming up with some content, some ideas, some other things that are rolling around my head, making notes at the moment in my little notebook of training related or learning and development related content that I want to start putting out. But I've pretty much got my talking head set up at the moment, so that's good. Good to go. Let's give it a try from here on out and see what else we can progress with. But we are set up with a studio. Microphone, check. Background, check. Lights, check. Talented presenter,